Pastrnak. McQuaid is filled in big time by Palat. And then Callahan got hit, and everyone comes in. Play continues. Here's Pastrnak, and play is whistled down because of this taking place back in front of the bench. McQuaid and Hedman. And now we've got Paquette into it. Just there on the right of your screen with Bergeron.
Great job by McQuaid joining the rush to keep the puck alive, and then that just opened up an opportunity to really lower the boom.
.8:23 to go in the second period, and it's all starting to kick off. Big hit by Palat, and another big one along the boards, and then Marchand up to his usual antics. Oh, it is a night of spite here in Boston.